Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Principal message for Teachers' Day. Dear all, Assalamu alaikum. It gives me immense pleasure to greet and wish you on this Teachers' Day on behalf of the entire management of the City School. At the City School, we celebrate Teachers' Day every year because we value you and deeply appreciate your commitment to teaching and to the children of our institution. Teaching is one of the noblest professions in the world. I personally believe there is no substitute to quality education because it helps in changing the lives of thousands of individuals and their families forever. More importantly, it is most critical to the growth of a developing nation like Pakistan. This is precisely the idea behind our tagline. We build a better nation through quality education. I wish to take this opportunity to thank you for your invaluable contribution to the institution over the years. Once again, I would like to wish each one of you a happy Teachers' Day. May Allah bless you with the strength to achieve greater personal and professional growths in the years to come. Thank you.